Good afternoon, students. Today in SST, I will go through all the detailed question answers from 1 to 5, that is traveling far and near. So in this we have only detailed question answer, there is no brief question answer in it. So for the first question is, from traveling on foot to flying jets, human beings have come a long way. Explain. Means how the transformation had occurred, how the technology advanced. So early human beings started their life as nomads. They used to roam here and there in search of food, shelter, clothing and all, and traveled only on foot. Earlier human beings used to travel only on foot. Slowly they learned to tame and domesticate animals. Means they started keeping animals with them who dragged the sledges in plain areas. Later, by invention of wheel, new means of transport developed. Means many transportations or vehicles developed. Invention have added not only pace, it has not only added speed but also comfort and convenience to traveling. Now we are very convenient and comfortable while traveling. Then we come to the second question, that is, explain the importance of the invention of the wheel. What is the importance? So the invention of the wheel was a milestone in the history of transport. This simple circular object, when added to carts, when this simpler object, that was the wheel, which was added to cart, made them move easily and much faster. Its invention led to the development of new means of transport. Then we come to the third question. How does the road network prove to be an important factor for the development of a nation? So first, the roads were not good. They were then they patted down with the soil and all. Then roads are the arteries of any country's economic development. Means it is the arteries of any country's economic development. Whatever development is of the country, it shows from their roads only. They are essential. They are important for transportation of goods from one place to another, and also for the movement of people, for goods also and for the people also. The roads in India, therefore, it is divided into 4 categories. That is expressway, national highways, state highways, and rural and urban roads. All the village roads and all. Then what are the special features of the Indian railways? Indian railways play a very important role in moving people and goods over long distances. To move people also and goods also for long distances, railways is very much important. In India, more than 10,000 trains run that carry more than and it is daily, okay, 10,000 trains run daily that carry more than 24 million passengers and 3 million tons of freight means goods, saman, goods daily. Then we come to the fifth question answer. Describe the importance of passport and visa. Here we have to describe what is passport, what is the importance of passport, and what is visa. So passport, it is a document issued by an individual's country stating his or her identity, means and nationality, means what identity you have. You are, whether you are male or female, or what or date of birth, what is your date of birth, what is your nationality, you are Indian or you are some of other country. So all this identity is mentioned in the passport. So it is a document issued by an individual country stating his or her identity. Identity means pehchan, and nationality. It also certifies the passport holder's name, date of birth, gender, and address. After passport, it is visa. Now visa is an official document authorizing an individual to enter into a country's territory and stay for a specific period. Means if a country will give you permission to stay in their country for a specific period, it can be 1 week also, it can be 1 month also, or 1 year also. It depends upon the country and what type of work you are going to go do there. If you are going on a tourist visa, if you are going officially or to do some job and all, so visa is needed. In some country it is needed, and in some countries it is also not needed. Like in Nepal we don't need passport and visa, but in Mauritius we need passport, and in UK and USA we need both passport and visa. So it depends upon the country also, and it is very important, the passport and visa, to visit the other country if you want to go. Okay, thank you.